So what do you feel, which all are the jobs which are at risk of, AI?
As Mr. Narayan Modi said, human का कोई replacement नहीं है. Human mind is a creative punch which cannot be replaced. Of course, AI adds value. It will give you an insight in terms of whatever topic you search, but it cannot replace human mind. As rightly said, there would be few jobs like a data entry job, right, which AI can take care of. A surveillance job, maybe AI can, typically take care of, or a call center job, which we are already seeing that it has been taken care
Replaced.
of. I think human brain cannot be replaced by any technology. Having said that, it can be just kind of a guiding line for human beings to typically take some input from, but it is being exploited as a whole.
Yeah.
I would like to say one thing here is AI is good for doing odd jobs. The creative part, I'll do it.
Wow.